Okay, so do that. And then I'm gonna do... What is poppin', guys? Back with another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. So 2 days, like, kind of a relaxed day for me. Because I'm not feeling too well and stuff. So I decided to make a video about all my squishies because it's kind of relaxing. And yeah, so the first one that I have is this Hello Kitty donut squishy. It's rainbow. I have a bunch of them, so yeah. So yeah, that one I really like. It's my favorite. And yeah, I like to put them like somewhere where I like to, you know, calm down and stuff. So this one I have a whoopee cushion. Yeah, I really like that one. And my dresser is technically where I put all my squishies. So yeah, next one I have is a unicorn. Got this from the mall. Yeah, it's really fluffy, and I mean it's really soft. And I'm gonna just go put that away. I'll just like do 3 squishies and put them away. So this is my ice cream cone squishy. I got it when I was very sick, and this one actually really special to me. Yeah, it's really super soft. And then this one I got when I was also really sick. I love koalas, and it's really soft. Okay, and now I'm gonna go put these away. Okay, so the next one is this turtle that I got from Easter last year. It's actually really soft. Here's a little face. And then the next one I have is a cappuccino that I spent all my money on. It was like when I went to the mall, like I saw it standing up on the stand, and I'm like, oh my god, I have to get this. And I really like that one. And then I have this other one, coffee one. Yeah. I'm gonna go put these away. Okay, so this is my other one. Yeah, it's kind of defected. But I have this kind of, you know, girl that I don't know what she's doing. But it's really soft and I really like it. And then I have this Santa. And I really like it, and it's super soft. And then I have this hamburger. It's like really super slow rising. Yeah. Okay, so here's my strawberry rising, and then I have this panda cake. I really like this. And then I have this panda ice cream cone. And then the last one is a, oh my god, I love it. It's, I think I'm not pronouncing it right, but I think it's Dia de los Muertos. It's called Day of the Dead, and it's a Day of the Dead skull, and it's a galaxy one. I really like it. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.